All right, so how's it going? Today is 7:30, 2024, Tuesday. We've had a big sell-off today. It's currently 9 a.m. and we did have some news at 7. We did have the US jobs jolts openings. I don't think it really changed much in the market. We could go here to the Trader Hub, take a look. And what were we at? Jolts. Forecasting, let's see, 8.14, 8.18. Actually, maybe they changed it. But yeah, I didn't see too much of a change in the market. If anything, it has just been dropping off. Not sure why this old stuff's here. I guess I gotta. I thought deleted everything. Um, yeah. So here we are. It actually looks like just opening this up, we are getting a range play going on right now. We're gonna set this up, and yeah, we're gonna see what happens here. We might have another one and done type of situation. So, like I said, these trend days I don't like to play really because of the big swings, and I just don't like getting caught up in them. So currently, almost to our mark here. We're going to be patient and see if we get either a breakup to the top side over, like, say, 960s, or something to the downside below the 26s. If we look at the DOM here, above the 60s, we are trading. I don't see anything really standing out to me yet. If we do trade, I don't know, maybe we trade up to the 76. Nothing really in that area. And to the downside, it looks like we're trading out more to the downside. So the low of day is 926. Are we going to continue to keep going lower today? Not sure. Definitely not sure. It does look like there's more volume to the downside. We are pushing. I mean, we're getting a big wick on the 5-minute candle here, but yeah, we're just gonna be patient. This is our ranges that we play, and we look for these breakouts of this area. So you could see there was like some consolidation in this area. Had to be careful because of these big wicks, but you could see it's just we have really big movement here. Let's see how the volume is doing. We are tapering off a little bit on volume here. Volume isn't as strong as it was before, earlier this morning. And I'm pretty sure that we are undersold quite a bit here. So yeah, do we keep going, or does this come back up? Hard to say. Let's see if we get a bounce off these 26s. So looking lower here on the DOM, I mean, we have one here at 900, kind of just chilling out. I always look for those little spots where there's some orders that aren't moving. Someone's just waiting for that to clear out. So 900s would be right here. So if we do see a break, do we take this for like maybe a can we get a little scalp out of this? Today's definitely a scalpy market. See money, take money. We are trading for income, so see money, take money usually is the way to go. We're just going to wait in this range right now. I really want to see this slow of day clear out of here. Uh, Orders are moving in this area, but we'll see. Looking at maybe like a 20-point range here, maybe a little more. Patience is the name of the game, even if we break out to the top here. So let's just take an example like this is, we could consider this maybe failed downside auction. So they say it's where like sellers are exhausted, no longer want to bring the price down for the day, and we start seeing buyers come back in and we get a move back to the upside. If we do that, I don't want to get in necessarily right at like the breakout of this range. I want to see what it kind of does. Like I want to see it maybe retest this level here at 79 and see if it comes back down. Then retest this, area of like 75 or whatever it may be at here, 76. I mean, sorry, 56. 56, and then see if it comes back up to this, like, say, 75, 76 level. If it starts moving back up towards that level, then maybe we'll see some sort of move back to the top or just into this consolidation that they had here. And this might be where it's sitting for the day. Will it get back up to here? I don't really think so. We didn't really stay in this area anywhere that I'm seeing. 15-minute here. We didn't really. I'm not really seeing much of anything there. We have a really bottom level here where we're at right now. That was on what, the 25th? So we might see a move back to the top side. This might be a failed auction here. We'll wait and see. We'll see if we could get it to break down below. If we do, we might retest this 885 back from the 25th. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we get on this move. This might just flush all the way through. I'm not quite sure yet. Patience. Name of the game. Name of the game. Let's see here. So we are testing these upper levels. Let's see if we get any movement here. 75s. We break these 75s. I mean, we need a aggressive move, like buy movement to the top side here, if we're gonna see anything. So here comes some buyers. What do we got to the top side here? I don't really see anything yet sticking out that is grabbing my attention. But we'll see. This is what I'm saying. I want to see it come to here, retest, come back down, and if we get a move back up, then maybe this is a failed auction. We'll get a move to the top side here. So we didn't quite get to the top here. We're seeing this move coming back back down. Okay, we touched. Okay, still seeing it here. Do we come back into this zone? That's what I'm curious of. Let's see if it gets to back to like the 50s. Get back to the 50s and move up. Okay, here's the test. Touching. Through the 50s. So that's what I was worried about, if that was just kind of like a fake out to the top side. So now we have to be quite patient again to see if these 50s are going to hold. These 50s are going to hold, and we push above 75, roughly. 75, let's just call it 7, yeah. Let's just stay above 76. If we stay above 76, then I'll take a long. But this is what I was worried about here. What do we got on the dome? Big player here at 35. Let's see if we get any movement back to the top. $72s. We do have some orders filling up back up here now. We'll see if this gets up here. If this fails to get up there, I mean, this 35 order is looking quite decent. A lot of chop going on. You can see one of the new features they released today was right here. You could change the name of your account. So this is the one I'm trading for YouTube here. And do we get a flush or a bounce out of this range? Get a flush, I think it's going to that bigger order. It's 35. Let's see if it bounces. Part of me wants to take this short and see if it goes to that 35. We're not getting a big push yet. If it holds below 60s. I take it short and take it short. And see if we get to that 35. $35 was trading down here. Taking some heat. 22s at 53. Let's see if that trades out. Nice. There we go. Now let's see this roll down to 35s. Can we get the push? Buyers are coming in. It's a nice push to the top side there. And the sellers come back in. A decent push back down. Here we see these 35s. Okay. It's dancing around. We get out of this. I maybe want to move my stop down. I don't want to stay in this if it goes above. Give it a little room. Let's just say an even 300. Somewhere around there. Just want to see if they we could push these, get back down to this 35 level. Anything trading down below here? Orders are trading. Just need it to thin up. $63 at 35 now. Just need a good flush. If we get below these 45s, then we're solid. So once 45s trade, then we'll be solid. There we go. Now 45s need a trade. It's touching it. There we go. Good push. Now down at these 35s. Do we get one more push at 35? That's the question here. Like I said, this might be a see money, take money market. Big push back up to the top. You just couldn't trade down there. Okay. So, if it dances back down there, maybe I'll get out, maybe not. We'll see. See if we give it one more chance to get back down here. That could have just been people covering their position. Not sure. Oh, looks like buyers are coming back in. Okay. See where this one goes. Are we trading out anywhere here? Yeah, we're trading a little bit there, so it might come back down. We might retest here. We'll see if we can retest these lows. And we're still looking for 35 to trade out. I don't see anything trading there. We're going to have to get below 50s again and see if this gets any move. Okay, 50s hold. 50s 50s are starting to hold, then 45s need to hold again. So we'll see if we get these 45s to hold. Starting to dance. 45s need to hold. Not much trading out below 45s. All right, 45s are holding. Do 40s hold? Hard to say if 40s are going to hold here. I move my stop to break even just in case it jumps. These 40s can't hold. Having trouble. I'm out. Just keeps bouncing there. Let's see if it goes. Yeah, it's 71 at 30, 35. Yeah. We'll see if we get this break. We're going to look for a better move. Still break out of this zone or this zone here. Market's tough right now. Not liking it. So there's the move we were looking for, but I don't like how this is moving. So now we're looking for a break out of this zone here. Okay, so there's the 30s. Breaking through there. Down to the 900s, that's what we were saying before. But what are these pullbacks? How far do these pullbacks go? Or are we just going to see a flush? This pulls back, maybe we try and catch it to the 900s. 900s look to be the way. It's moving back up. 27, 29, stay below 29, we should be solid. It's these big pops that I'm worried about. See, 24, 25. Yeah, let's see what it does here. I'm looking at this area, like, see if it stays below. I'm gonna go into here. See if we just get a good flush in and out. 900s. Not seeing it. There we go. Come on, we can chase it to the 900s. Need this to be about there. Let's see if we see it. Gotta see that move now. If not, we gotta get out of this position. Okay, that was a good strong move. Let's see if we can retest this move. Need one big flush down. Ah, just don't see it yet. A lot of buyers covering right there. One more move. One more move to the 900s. Can't get below, I think it's like 9.8. What are we struggling with here? The 7s? Getting held up there. Come on. Need a nice downside move here. Let's see if we retest here. Could have been people covering again. Like I said last time, like a lot of people covered, kind of get like a nice little move up. And you have to wait to see if you get this pressure back down to the downside. Yeah, be patient here, retesting it. Now this is where we just need the big move. I don't know if we're going to see it. Big move right here. Come on. Clear me out for the day. I'll be done. Come on. Just can't see the move here. If I could get below those 8s, we're okay, but not seeing it. Come on. One more move below 8. We might be bumping up against our personal daily loss limit here, so we'll see if this either happens or it doesn't. Retesting one more time. Maybe we just get out of this and look for a better position. We'll see. Struggle is real right now. We just need one big move. It's like a tug of war. Can we see one big move to the bottom is all we need. That one pull. That pull that pulls everybody down. That's what we're looking for. That big pull that just pulls everybody down. Are we going to see it or not? And we're butting up again to our limit here. If we hit that limit, we're done for the day. There we go. Done for the day. All right, so this sets us back a little bit here. This is, you know, we got set back a little bit here. We're still up 1,400 on this account. And we just didn't get that move. Playing a 1 watt here, waiting for this to break down. We had the right idea. Could I have gotten out of it? Yes. Should I take profit when I see it? Not sure. I mean, we're still looking for this move to come back down. A lot of people might have been covering, buyers coming in, but that's why we do that. That's why we have a $600 loss limit, because we can make this back where, you know, it's tougher when you hit like $1,000 days and it goes over as slippage, anything like that. So tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, we'll come back and see if it's a better day. FOMC is coming up. I think that might be tomorrow. Not 100% sure. Is it Thursday? FOMC is, yeah, tomorrow. So we'll see. We'll see what that brings. Might sit on our hands tomorrow and trade this on a better time. But we'll probably see our break now. Like that's how the market is usually. We'll see our flush that we wanted. I couldn't even make my stop wider because I mean we hit our personal limit here. So yeah, that's just how it goes. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you like it, follow, do all the things, and I will see you guys next time.